Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. Out here working on the house again today, taking down a lot of garbage. I've been working up in the attic space, taking out the ceiling and the flooring and everything up there. You guys may have seen the video I did from up there. It's less than pleasant space to be in, so I'm looking forward to being done with that part. But anyway, taking down all this old insulation, and wanted to talk to you guys about some things that occurred to me as I was putting the garbage that you see here in these bags and taking down a whole bunch of other garbage. Basically, I got these bags for free when I collected a whole bunch of leaves and compost material in the beginning of the year in the spring. You guys may remember some videos from that. And you know, now I'm reusing the bags for the garbage, so it's awesome. Double win, because I get the you know, the green manure to be used in the garden, and then, or the green yard waste I should say, and then now I'm going to be able to use the garbage bags for storing actual garbage instead of leaves. So yeah, you know, looking at some of the rubble here and the garbage, you know, what did I want to talk to you guys about? I want to talk to you about sustainability and recycling and reusing things and not wasting things. You know, I'm a little bit sad that I'm not going to be able to reuse this insulation because you know, it's just too dirty. It's got like all sorts of like animal feces and urine and everything. It stinks. It's covered in dust as well, so it's just really, really filthy. There's no way I'm going to be able to reuse it for anything, so I'm going to get rid of it. But I wish I could. And a lot of the materials that I am taking down from up there, I am going to be reusing. So I'm going to show that to you guys in a second. So I took down a lot of these beams and stuff. They were being stored up in the attic. They were probably just left over from the building process and never got used. I'm going to hopefully be able to reuse those in some kind of project. And then this is the actual flooring that was in use up there. And when I was first taking it down, I was basically trying to get it out. It's a little bit difficult, and I ended up cutting them pretty much in half so that I can like yank them out. And then later on I kind of figured out another way I could do it, where I only cut out just at the very end. I cut off maybe about a foot or so, and then I was able to pry them up in one big piece. So now I've got a bunch of long ones. This is probably only about a third of the way done, so I still have a bunch more boards to take down from up there, and maybe I would say double what you see of the long ones. That's about what I have left up there. So you know, these are not really high quality bits of wood. They're not like you know, milled or anything. Like, it's just or what do you call it, they're not planed, I should say. And so they're not smooth. They have like a bunch of, you know, concrete and little bits of mortar and stuff stuck to them. They're full of holes. They're, you know, kind of like rough cut pieces of wood, but I'm certainly not going to throw them away, and I intend to use them for something. I'm not sure yet what. But this is kind of what I wanted to talk to you guys about. I did the video a while back telling you about the decision to, you know, update our house instead of just demolishing it and building a new one. And I'm just reminded day in and day out that that is a good decision. I'm really happy that that's what we decided to do. And I'm also very happy that, you know, it's going to be resulting in hopefully a lot less, you know, waste. And just, you know, the little bits of garbage that have already started piling up from even just the renovation. It's astounding the amount of garbage that's going to be, you know, have to be thrown out. And, you know, obviously I'm going to be having to pay for the removal of it. But that's not even really my main concern. It's just more like, where is it all going? It's going in the landfill, right? And a lot of the stuff I'm actually going to have to pay probably extra money for, because they're considered hazardous waste. So a lot of the roofing materials are asbestos, or they contain asbestos, I should say. So those are you know, obviously hazardous waste that needs to be removed and disposed of properly. So that's even more expensive. And yeah, it's just like, it's pretty crazy when you think about how much waste comes out from just the renovation and expansion of this tiny little house. And I just, you know, I kind of worry like how much it would have been if we had demolished the whole house. I mean, just, you know, imagine all this, all the brick, all the mortar, all the everything, the foundation itself, you know, being taken out. I mean, it's just a crazy amount of waste. And yeah, I'm just, you know, reminded that this was a good decision. So hopefully, you know, the expansion keeps going to plan here. I will do kind of some videos showing you guys the overall progress, but I'll probably just save things for the end, and then I'll do like kind of an overarching video showing you what's happening. But yeah, that's it for today. Just wanted to show it to you guys, and if anybody has any good ideas of what to do with the wood, let me know. Right now I'm thinking might be Wally Peony or greenhouse building material, but we'll see. All right, hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Bye.